following reports of weather, temperature, and wind were made at 11 a.m. Athens, it was... The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. Distances from the transmitter will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: in perfect working order. Clayton, to provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of each enter. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm Georgia counties. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. Hancock, Henry, Jasper, Jones, Limark, Monroe, Morgan, Newton, Oconee, Rockdale, Tolliver, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. The following report